nature of roots. Delta equal to b square minus 4ac is called a discriminant of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Let alpha comma beta are roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Case 1. If a comma b comma c are real numbers, if a comma b comma c are rational number, delta equal to 0, that implies alpha equal to beta minus b by 2a repeated or double root, repeated root or double root. Number 1, delta equal to 0, alpha comma beta are rational and equal. Alpha equal to minus b by a 2a repeated or double root. Second one, delta greater than 0, alpha and beta are real and distinct. Second one, delta greater than 0 and is a sphere of rational number alpha and beta are rational and distinct. Third one, delta less than 0 implies alpha and beta are non-real complex number conjugate each other. Third one, delta greater than 0 but not sphere. Alpha and beta conjugate surds. Fourth one, delta less than 0, alpha, beta are non-real. Alpha and beta are non-real conjugate complex numbers. Conjugate complex numbers. This is a nature of roots. Problem, solved problem. Find the nature of roots. Find the nature of roots 4x square minus 20x plus 5 equal to 0. A equal to 4, a x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. A equal to 4, b equal to minus 20, c equal to 5. Discriminate delta equal to b square minus 4ac. Delta equal to b square minus 4ac. That equal to minus 20 whole square minus 4 into a, 4 into c, 5. 20 is 400 minus plus 400. ఇక్కడ 25 400 equal to 0. Delta is 0 and a comma b comma c are real roots of the given equation are real and equal. Fifth problem, SP solved problem. Find the nature of the roots of 3x square plus 7x plus 2 equal to 0. A equal to 3, b equal to 7, c equal to 2. Delta equal to b square minus 4ac. 7 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 2, 49 minus 24, 25, 5 square greater than 0. Delta equal to 5 square. Each square the roots of equation rational and unequal. Rational and unequal. Exercise. First lo third. Number 1. 2x square minus 8x plus 3 equal to 0. B square minus 4ac. 64 minus 24 equal to 40 greater than 0. Roots are real and distinct. Second one, 9x square minus 30x plus 25 equal to 0. B square minus 4ac minus 30 whole square minus 4 into 9 into 25. 900 minus 900 equal to 0. 0. Roots are rational and equal. Third one x square minus 12x plus 32 equal to 0. A equal to 1, B equal to minus 12, C equal to 32. B square minus 4ac 144 minus 128 16. 4 whole square perfect square rational and distinct roots. Rational and distinct. Fourth one, 2x square minus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. A equal to 2, B equal to 7, C equal to 10. B square minus 4ac equal to 49 minus 80 minus 31 greater than 0. Complex roots are complex conjugate numbers.